I've got thousands of pins saved, but sometimes I just close my eyes and go. It's chaos, sure, but it led to a plate of sweet egg noodles for dessert tonight, so who's really losing? This morning I rolled out from a solid lakeside spot, calm, beautiful, and hard to leave. But that urge to move hit, and when you got no timeline, it's easy to chase that feeling. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday I kind of took the day off because I ended up, doing a bunch of video editing for like 5 hours or something like that. So by the time I was done, half the day was gone. So I just ended up staying here, going for a little walk and hanging around the campsite, talking to the neighbors and stuff. So that was my day yesterday. We're all packed up. We're ready to go this morning. We're going to slowly mark our way to Bella Coola, and hopefully you guys come along with me. The next few episodes are going to be pretty fun, pretty exciting. We're going to go find some new places to hang out. Maybe we'll find some more wildlife today. Who knows? We'll see. Alright guys, we'll see you guys down the road. On the way out, I got greeted by a small herd of cows doing their thing on the road. Gotta love rural living. Nothing says back roads like cows ignoring you completely. I'll call you T-Bone, I'll call you Sirloin, and I'll call you Chuck. And I'll call you Mr. Rib. Yum, yum, yum. Steak. Quick top up on fuel, and then I hit the road onto the next spot. Well, we stopped, we got some gas. We just got $25 worth, not a heck of a lot. And this road is just complete washboard, so I've let a few people pass me already. Man, this place has been devastated by wildfire not too long ago. Doesn't look like, looks fresh and burnt. I never really paid attention to this area much, but it is actually pretty beautiful out here. We were actually starting to get into the mountains, so we just came over from that side of the valley over there, slowly crawled our way down the mountain, and then we're slowly crawling our way back up the mountain. Figured I'll give the microphone a try while I'm driving, because if I don't use it while I'm driving, then the audio is just crap. So we'll give it a try. We'll see how it works. But we're having fun. We've got about 17 kilometers dirt road to go until we get to our destination for today, or our first destination of today. Whether or not we'll stay there or not, who knows? I guess we'll find out when we get there. It's always a mystery. Like, is this the suitable place? I'm pretty sure it is. I'm not too worried about it. And if not, then we'll head down the mountain again. We'll find the next road down. I mean, that's pretty much why I filled up on gas. Make sure I'm always topped up every time before I head off into the bush. And luckily today, we found the First Nation gas station, so that's always a bonus. So we only paid $1.30 for gas. I'm actually kind of excited. I'm actually getting hungry, so we're going to probably eat soon. We'll see you guys down the road. I've got so many saved locations, it's overwhelming sometimes. So I just pick one and start driving. Found another wreck site. Finally arrived. Not too bad. It's pretty out in the open. It's right along a major highway, but it came down at the perfect opportunity because right off the shore here, there's a big loon, like a big one. See if we can get a good glimpse at him. And the mosquitoes here are just crazy. It's not that I don't want to stay, but I think we'll have a quick bite to eat and then we'll head off to the next location. It's still pretty early in the day. Like, what am I gonna do? Sit around and do nothing all day? I mean, I could put a few more kilometers on the road and go find some more cool, interesting places to see. But there's so many fish here jumping. This would definitely be a good spot to bring a kayak and go out and fish for a little while. There he is again. Chilling in the water. Oh, there he goes. Must be good eating, because there must be a bunch of minnows down there or something, because he's just munching away or something. Who knows what he's doing? It's definitely a few loons here. There's quite a few cabins here too. This is a fair-sized lake. It's not a little lake. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna go have something to eat. Had a couple hot dogs and a couple crackers. Had a little orange, mandarin orange. We're back on the road again. We're going to continue our journey towards Belakula, but first we're going to stop at a campsite. It's a provincial park, I believe it is, so we'll see how it is. Go check it out. It should be open today, actually, indeed. So we'll go spend the night there, and we'll see you guys down the road. Wind sure picked up. Oh, smokes. I met the host and we're squared up. We're good to go. I'm gonna stay here the night. Well, just checking over the place and found the river. We're gonna go for a little walk, see what else we can find. We were the first persons here, and then one person rolled in after me and another person rolled after that, and now there's just people rolling in now. So yeah, let's go for a little walk. I'm gonna have dinner pretty soon. We'll hang out. Pretty grim day though. I don't think there's something to be out anymore. See you guys later. Yeah, it was a good little walk. When I came back to the van, I started listening to my audio book and hanging out in the van because it's just windy out there, cloudy. So I thought I'd make up some food. So I got my plate out here and I cooked up some rice noodles. Just some basic broad rice noodles or whatever. So we're gonna pop them down on a plate, and I bought myself a little bit of sour cream. Okay, so we don't need much, probably like 2 massive tablespoons, so about 1/3 of the container. And then we're gonna take maybe 3, we'll start off with 3 teaspoons of stevia, because I can't have sugar. Grandpa would just be all over this with the sugar like crazy. So this is like a 3-ingredient dish, but it's just so good. I was thinking about it the other day, and it's like I gotta buy some and have some, and I can't have regular pasta, or I can't have very much. So I figured, well, let's try it with egg noodles. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how good it is. Yeah, all it is just a little bit of sugar on some sour cream on some cooked noodles. And you can do this cold or hot noodles, it doesn't matter, but it's kind of like a hot dessert in a way, because it is sweet. So let's give this a try. You can make it a little sweeter if you want it to. You don't have to make it as sweet as this, although this isn't very sweet. Well, I'm going to finish this off. It is so good. It's exactly what I was looking for. Just a little sweet snack, but it's not going to kill me because it's way too much sugar. But anyways, guys, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to finish my... well, I just started the next book, but I've got a next book going. I'm going to listen to my audiobook, edit this video, relax, and we'll see you guys right back on this channel tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like on the thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.